Begin with a scandal rocking Chandler in a packed courtroom as a Hamilton football player charged as an adult in that disturbing hazing scandal learns that he could be going home.
He's going home.
The relief on the face of Nathaniel Thomas's mother was evident. After a week of no bond, the court makes a change that he can be released from jail pending trial. ABC 15's Melissa Blasius live outside Maricopa County Superior Court for an emotional hearing. And Melissa, I understand that you've heard the victims in this case are getting death threats.
Well, that's what prosecutors in the case said in court today. The defense attorney, Thomas's attorney, though, saying that the charges here have been overblown, and he says that the victim witnesses' statements are contradictory at best. You know, there are a lot of young people involved in this very high-stakes case. An early win for Nathaniel Thomas, his bond reduced to $25,000 today. His lawyer says he'll be out of jail by tomorrow.
He's coming home and he can defend himself from home, and that was really our goal today. So we're very happy.
Dozens of teenagers packed the courtroom today for the hearing. They're showing support for the hazing defendant. Afterward,
you'll make it worse for your friend.
They got a half warning, half pep talk.
So if something comes up, just go by it, don't respond.
Obviously, this has been a very volatile situation.
Prosecutors have charged Thomas as an adult. He faces 9 criminal charges, including sexual assault and kidnapping. The crimes allegedly occurred in the Hamilton High School locker room. Prosecutors have named 4 victims in the hazing case, saying Thomas also threatened at least some of them.
They had better not come forward, that they had better not involve him, that they would regret it if he got expelled, that they would regret it if they come forward.
Thomas's attorney says the charges are overblown.
And we have numerous people here who are on the football team who were prepared to testify today that these things did not happen. Some things happened, but not to the level that the state is alleging.
Coming up at 6, we have a lot more on the late-breaking details of this case, including Thomas's release conditions, what they will be, who Thomas's lawyer is blaming for not stopping some of this hazing, as well as we're going to hear more about what the victims in this case have been going through. Their families have also hired a lawyer that's involved in all of this. Reporting live in downtown Phoenix, Melissa Blasius, ABC 15 Arizona.
Yeah, a lot of interesting details in this. We'll see you at 6, Melissa. Thank you. Meantime, tonight, some new insight from the county attorney on why Nathaniel Thomas is the only one being charged as an adult. Bill Montgomery says his alleged crimes go way beyond hazing, and they are felonies.
This doesn't fit even remotely within any of the team building aspects of those programs.
Thomas turns 18 in March of next year. When that happens, a juvenile court would lose jurisdiction. Montgomery explains charging him as an adult gives prosecutors the ability to get him into supervised, specialized programs for a longer period of time. Generally speaking, he says this.
That isn't always because we want to seek enhanced punishment. Oftentimes it's because we need more time that can be provided in an adult system prosecution for the supervision of that offender.
So you can count on ABC 15 to stay on top of this still developing story. To have breaking news alerts sent straight to your smartphone or tablet, just download our ABC 15 mobile app.